The emperor, the conqueror, the champion, the lion is here. Zobu, zobu, enyimba, master.
Toya dike, nenu dike. Toya dike, nenu dike. Iye jamara dike ruenu, ekwe chenjigo. Iye jamara dike ruenu, ekwe dagarigo. Omorunga basi, oneme kasi. Omorunga basi, oname kasi. Ebube dike, ibe dike kwe. Wani manaria, achaluko dike. Clear the road for Musabi.
Bueno. All of you here, other moment, and also you have offered me blessing because we are not spiritual blessing in my kingdom. Kola nut is called the Igbo. It's what means to us, we the Yorubas, who celebrate Kola nut, and they say it is the only language understand. We are the one planting it and nurturing it for you. Only in Yoruba land that kola nut grows, especially the one with the four cotyledons. That's the kola nut that speaks till date. Yoruba land is how we are connected. That is the house of Igbo. These are facts that are there. But some school of thought will say, oh, the Igbos are older, the Yorubas are younger. I'm not here for who is older or who is younger. I am here for what connects us together. We're one big happy family. We're well connected. And this same kola nut that is so important in Igbo tradition. What we used to nurture it, the first place we discovered kola nut right in my palace. We still use the stream to get the water to nurture the place. And the stream is called Osimiri till date. And that's the name of the river of the Igbo. And the people in the house, where we call it the house of Miri, is called the house of the people that nurture kola nut that speaks. Anytime you come to Ife, I will show you the house. The houses are still there in Ife till date. House of Osimiri, house of Odikeji, and the house of Obu. Those three houses has a very strong link to Obatala. Obatala is very synonymous to Igbo tradition and culture. I'm not here for history today, but I want to let you know that the Igbos and the Yorubas, there is nothing we can do about it. We are very connected. We are just running away from our history. It's about time for us to know our connection. You go to your house of Idibia, you do Afa. In Yoruba land, we call it Ifa. And the Kolanot here can speak Afa for you. If you want me to display today for you, I will break the four and I will use it to speak Afa for you. And my brother is here. My brother Chisco. Speak Afa for him right away. As one of the prominent elders of Igbo land globally, I want to thank you so very much for everything you're doing. Come to honor you in Ghana, and I want to thank you for what you're doing for my Olori. If I didn't come here, she will not allow me to rest. But thank you so very much for all the good things you do. And I am speaking life to Kolanot. I am praying. May God continue to bless you. May the spirit of our ancestors continue to guide you, guard you, and see you through in all your endeavors. Kolanot has life like we human beings. A lot of people don't know the way you will be in your room that they must knock the door before you will enter. You cannot open the face of Kolanot anyhow. You must knock the door. If you understand the spiritual language of Kolanot, Kolanot will answer you. Want Kolanot to bless you, Kolanot will bless you. You have brought life. For us in Ife and Yoruba land, Kolanot means life. I don't know where you got the meaning of Ezeigbo. Ezeigbo in our place in Yoruba land means life. Because that is Kolanot for you. Anybody that is even sleepy or you are dull, if you eat Kolanot, you have a life again. It gives you a fresh life. That's the meaning of Kolanot. You have brought Kolanot for me today. May God continue to give you good life, good prosperity, and see you through in all your endeavors. Where you are, the first aboriginal settlers of this place are the Yoruba people. The Ga people are directly from Ife. They are your brothers. The same way that we live together at some point. Ga people know their story, they know their history. That came from a place called Ife to come and settle in Ghana. We know them very well as our brothers, and you are based here in Ghana. God, may God continue to bless you. May God continue to guide you. May God continue to protect you. I greet my brother, not Your Highness. I greet you so very much. I was very surprised to see you. I call him a good networker. When I saw a powerful Ezeigbo here, one of the prominent leaders of Igbo community globally, please give Chisco a resounding round of applause.
And myself for Abraham, I have much on n'aha Jesus. Ka anyị na-atọ ọjị a, ọ ga-agwụgwọ tinye na ihe ka anyị taa ka ọ dị mma n'ahụ n'aha Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ.
The emperor, the conqueror, the champion, the lion is here.